How to delete Tripadvisor account. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete Tripadvisor account. So in order to delete your Tripadvisor account, first thing, check your internet connection, launch your Tripadvisor account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. Over here, to delete your account, go to accounts, which is right at the bottom. As soon as you click on accounts, under it there are multiple menus. So from the list you need to click on the gear icon or preferences. After that, once again under it there are multiple options, so go to account info. This is going to direct you to a web page of your account info. So basically you'll be able to see all of the information that is registered to your Tripadvisor account. So once you're on this page, scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see an option as close your account. So click on close your account, otherwise you can also sign out of all the devices that you're logged in. And if you're sure about deleting your account, then once again click on close my account, which is right on top. So once you click on close my account, you'll be taken to the closer portal. So here you need to select why you actually want to close your account. Since you're deleting your account, you'll need to provide in the reason for deleting your account. So select any of these options, and then you can also add a description to it, or just tap on close my account, which is right at the bottom. Now you'll be taken to the other interface where you'll be asked to confirm all of the information, such as you'll be asked to confirm whether you want to delete your account or not. And if you're sure about it, then click on the delete button. For 30 days your account will be deactivated, and after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. In this way you can delete your Tripadvisor account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.